Okay, good morning everyone. So today we'll be continuing with the chapter till insertion point we have already studied, so we'll continue further. Now the next thing is ribbon tab. Each tab provides a set of tools related to a particular task that you are likely to perform. जो भी आप टास्क करना चाहते हो उसके छोटे छोटे आइकन्स यू कैन सी इन दी रिबन टैब, बी इट योर बोल्ड, बी इट इटैलिक. अगर आपने जो कंटेंट लिखा है आप उसको बोल्ड करना चाहते हो, देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन बी बटन that is present in your ribbon tab, and many such tabs are there in your ribbon. Now views of document provide access to 5 different views of your document. Once you have written, you have completed your document file, you can see different types of views कि वो लैंडस्केप में कैसा दिख रहा है, पोर्ट्रेट में कैसा दिख रहा है, many things like that. Then you have your scroll bar. Scroll bar is present in the extreme राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द स्क्रीन, जिसकी हेल्प से हम अपनी जो डॉक्यूमेंट है उसमें अप डाउन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इट इज़ okay. Now this scroll bar helps used to move the contents of the document up, down, right, left. If you want to see कि आपने top to bottom क्या लिखा है, you can use the scroll bar. It helps us to move right to left also. Then next is your status bar. It provides information about the area of any document that displayed on the screen and the position of the insertion point. For example, आपने अपनी document file में 10 lines लिखी हैं, है ना, तो और कितने पेजेस लिखे हैं, ये सारे नंबर ऑफ़ पेजेस आपकी एक फ़ाइल में कितने हैं, कितने वर्ड्स आपने टाइप किए हैं, ऑल सच इन्फॉर्मेशन आर इज़ देयर इन दी स्टेटस बार. इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन दी लोअर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर ऑफ योर विंडो स्क्रीन. ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपको पेज 1, आप किस पेज पे हो करंटली, वहाँ पे पेजेस पता चलेंगे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ़ वर्ड्स यू हैव टाइप, ऑल सच इन्फॉर्मेशन यू विल गेट फ्रॉम दी स्टेटस बार. Then next is your program control buttons. Use these buttons to minimize the window, restore the window to full screen and close the window. हमने अपनी पिछली क्लासेस में भी देखा था कि एक विंडो स्क्रीन में टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे 3 बटन्स होते हैं, मिनिमाइज, रीस्टोर एंड क्लोज बटन. इफ़ यू आर working in another window and you want to close your current window, then you will minimize your current window. As soon as you will minimize the window, it will appear in the taskbar as small icon. Okay, then again if you want again योर करंट विंडो, आप टास्क बार में जाके उस विंडो के आइकन पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपकी विंडो आपकी स्क्रीन पे फिर से आपको फुल दिखाई देगी. देन इज़ योर रिस्टोर बटन विल मिनिमाइज योर स्क्रीन. And last is your close button. Once you have done with the writing work, your document is ready and you have saved your document with the file name, then you may close the window. Cross ka sign is there for closing the window. Now next is your work area. The white area which you can see to the maximum in the window is the area which is known as your work area. This area is the area where you actually work, where you actually type your text. It is the area in the document window where you enter or type the text of your document. Now the new topic is how you will create a new document. Creating a new document is like writing on a fresh page, new piece of a paper. Creating a document is quite similar to writing a new page. This means जैसे हम अपनी कॉपी में we turn to write the content on a new page from we give a fresh start to our writing. Similarly, once we have done with the previous work, we can open a new page in the computer Word document as well. Each time you create a document, you are placing a new piece of paper on your screen. जैसे हम अपनी notebook में every time we turn to a new page, similarly in our computer also we can open the new Word window to work again. For that we have to follow following steps. Click on the file tab. First of all you will click on the file tab, then backstage view will appear. एक backstage view appear होगा, उसमें से you have to click on new button, then click on blank document. Since you want a blank document for your file, then you will click on the blank document in the template list. Template list क्या होती है? It offers the various types of document. क्या आप blank पूरा document चाहते हैं या आप few documents में headings भी होती है, there are some rules lines also, but here we are choosing a blank document. Okay, तो these are known as templates, मतलब designs you can say कि किस तरह का आपको अपना document चाहिए. First of all, you will click on File tab, then you will click on New, then you will choose a blank document. Sample view. सैम्पल व्यू क्या होता है? सैम्पल व्यू में आपको ये दिखता है कि जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट चूज़ किया है उसका आउटलुक कैसा है, किस तरह का वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिख रहा है. एज यू कैन सी कि बड़ा इन योर बुक in a bigger space you can see a white page that is depicting that your blank document is will look like this is the outlook of your choice. Now sample view of selected document appears in this area, then you will click on create. लास्ट में व्हेन यू हैव सेलेक्टेड योर टेम्पलेट फ्रॉम द टेम्पलेट डिज़ाइन, आपने अपने चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग अपना डॉक्यूमेंट चूज़ कर लिया है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट. द न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल opens and you can start working on it. As soon as you will click on create a new file, or you can say a new page will open in front of you where you can start writing your work. Okay, now how will you enter the text? द टेक्स्ट, एंटरिंग टेक्स्ट हेयर मीन्स जो भी आप राइटिंग का काम करते हो यहाँ पे इन लैंग्वेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर दैट इज़ नोन एज टेक्स्ट. द टेक्स्ट कैन बी एंटर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड. सिंस यू नो दैट कीबोर्ड इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस, तो वट एंड विच हैज़ अल्फ़ा न्यूमेरिक कीज़, मतलब उसमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स भी होते हैं, न्यूमेरिक कीज़ भी होती हैं, स्पेशल सिम्बल्स भी होते हैं. सो ऑल द टाइपिंग वर्क नीड्स टू बी डन थ्रू द कीबोर्ड ओनली. टू एंटर द टेक्स्ट फॉलो द स्टेप. आप टेक्स्ट को एंटर करने के लिए यू हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल सी योर इंसर्शन पॉइंट. इंसर्शन पॉइंट क्या होता था? इंसर्शन पॉइंट इज़ अ पॉइंट विच इंडिकेट्स यू दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टाइपिंग फ्रॉम दैट point. The text you type will appear where the insertion point flashes on your screen. Whichever place is your insertion point, from there only you have to start your text. And if in case your insertion point is at top right of your screen but you don't want to start from there, है ना, आप middle से लिखना चाहते हो, suppose you are writing any content which starts from the middle, तब with the help of your mouse you will move the insertion from point to the middle of your screen. So insertion point is controlled by your mouse pointer, or you can press the enter key or space key for that matter. The text you type will appear in the insertion point flashes on your screen. Type the text for your document. Where the insertion point is indicating, from there you can start writing your text. Now when you reach the end of the line, the word automatically send the text to the next line. For example, you have typed 10 words in a line and there is no space in your page. So as you do in your copies, you change your line. Once your lines, your current line is done with it is full of words, you change your line. Similarly, the computer automatically changes to the next line once your current line is filled with words. Okay, you have to enter. You only have to press the enter key when you want to start a new paragraph. As you can see in your book that there are 3 paragraphs mentioned, but changing of line is done automatically, but changing of paragraph needs to be done with by you only by pressing the enter key. As soon as you will press the enter key, आप next line next paragraph में you will start typing. Now word automatically underlines misspelled words in red and grammatical errors in green. This we have already studied that जो भी हम type करते हैं text, if there is some error in that is also shown to us by this word document. In red color you will see the misspelled word. What is misspelled word? Suppose you have to write the spelling of cow as COW and you have by mistake written the spelling as CWO. So that word the computer will highlight to you in red color. And if there is some grammatical error, इसकी जगह आपने अगर was लिख दिया in while typing the text, that error will also be highlighted by computer in green color. Okay, so this was it for this class. After we'll continue further in the next class. Thank you everyone.